If you've been uploading videos on YouTube, but the views are not coming, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to get more views on YouTube, from your title to thumbnail, description, retention, and everything the algorithm actually cares about. If you watch carefully and apply what you learn, you will start seeing real improvements in your channel. Let's begin. Number one, your title is the first key to views. Most people think YouTube will automatically push their video because they uploaded it, but that's not true. YouTube pushes videos that people are willing to click, and that starts with your title. Your title must speak to one specific person with one specific problem or curiosity. Don't try to talk to everyone. Talk to that one viewer who needs what your video offers. For example, instead of saying grow on YouTube fast, say how to get your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube step by step. See the difference? One is vague, the other is focused on valuable. Your title should be clear, not confusing. Create curiosity, but not clickbait. And the title should be around 45 to 60 characters if possible. Another problem people mostly encounter is how to create an innovative title that solves problem and still triggers curiosity. Here's how to do it. Pay attention. Go to your chat GPT. For example, I made an entertaining compilation video of Instagram models. So in chat GPT, I will type something like this. You can see it gave me full YouTube upload package, different titles that speaks directly to one specific person and still sparks curiosity, as the description too, and matching hashtags and tags too. You can also test different titles using tools like A/B settings in YouTube Studio. Here, YouTube itself helps you analyze which title is best from the 3 different titles you selected. When you add the 3 titles, click on set test, and it will take a while to process to give you the best optimized results for more views. Changing just a few words and improving your title click-through rate by even 2 or 3% can bring in thousands of extra views. Remember, if nobody clicks your video, YouTube stops recommending it. So your title is your first weapon.
Number 2, your thumbnail is 80% of your views. Now let's talk about thumbnails. Your thumbnail is like your video's face. If the face doesn't attract attention, nobody will click. The best performing thumbnails are simple, bold, and easy to understand even at a very small size. Use bright colors, use strong contrast. Avoid clutter and too many elements. If you show a face, show emotion. Shock, excitement, fear, surprise. These emotions make people curious. If your video is a tutorial, show a before and after image. If it's about a problem, show the problem visually. For example, in my entertaining Instagram video about curvy baddies, the thumbnails are simply the model and their name. This speaks a lot, and you can see it in the click-through rate. It's higher than usual. Your thumbnail makes people click your video and engage. Most of your views will then come from browse features and recommendations. Look at this video. It had more than 90% of its views from browse features. That means viewers discovered it while casually browsing and not searching or clicking suggested videos. So if browse traffic is high, it means YouTube trusts your content. The algorithm is pushing your video to more people. You have a good click-through rate and your content appeals to your target audience. Don't overcrowd your thumbnail with text. 3 to 4 words maximum if needed. Sometimes even no text works, just like this one. You can change thumbnails if your video is not performing well. Test whether a close-up works better than a wide shot. Test whether bright colors work better than dark ones. Always remember this line: if nobody clicks, the algorithm does not push. Number 3, your description is not decoration. Many creators ignore the description section, but your description helps YouTube understand your video. It helps ranking. It helps viewers know what value they are getting. In the first 2 lines, clearly explain what the viewer will learn or gain. Use keywords naturally without stuffing. Add timestamps if the video is long. This helps viewers find what they need and boosts its retention. You can also include a call to action, such as subscribe to the channel, watch another related video, or follow your playlist. When you write a strong description, YouTube better understands your content, and that increases your chances of being recommended. Looking at this description of a video I made on how to revive deleted WhatsApp messages, you can see how clearly I explained what my viewers will expect in the first 2 lines. And by doing this, YouTube will recommend the video to the right audience. This is a bonus tip. When you upload your video in the YouTube studio, come to this section and add which category your video falls in. You can see my own is on how to and style, which means my video is teaching on how to do something. This helps YouTube recommend it to people who needs the video for more views. Number 4. Hook your audience in the first 5 seconds. Now this part is extremely important. Most viewers leave within the first 3 to 5 seconds of a video. Avoid starting with,
Hey channel, welcome to my guys. Hey, welcome.
that kills retention. Instead, start with a powerful statement, a bold promise, or a question that speaks directly to the viewer's problem. For example, say something like this: stop uploading videos nobody watches. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly why your views are low and how to fix it. Immediately, the viewer feels like they must continue watching. Your first 5 seconds decide whether YouTube keeps pushing your video or buries it forever. And when your video shows something like this, it means it's performing more than usual. Look at what it says here. 49% of viewers are still watching at around the 0:30 mark, which is above typical, and that makes the algorithm recommend to more viewers. Number 5. Structure your video for high retention. YouTube rewards videos people actually watch, so your goal is to make people stay as long as possible. Here is a simple structure that works. Start with a strong hook, then a short introduction, not more than 10 seconds. Tell viewers what they will learn, then deliver value clearly step by step. Avoid unnecessary talk. Don't drag too long on one point. Use cuts, zooms, screen visuals, and text pop-ups to keep attention. You can also move fast between ideas so viewers don't get bored. Because once viewers start leaving early, YouTube stops recommending your content. Retention is power. Number 6. Make content for humans optimized for algorithm. If you want YouTube to give you more views, stop chasing the algorithm and start creating for real people. Because the truth is simple. The algorithm follows viewers. When people enjoy your video, learn something from it, or get real value, YouTube automatically pushes it to more people. Focus on making content that does at least one of these: educates, entertains, inspires, or solves real problems. Educational videos work great because people come to YouTube to learn. Things like tutorials, how-to guides, and explanations that make life easier. Entertainment also wins big, especially storytelling, reactions, and content that creates emotion, curiosity, or laughter. Inspiring videos are powerful too. Motivational stories, lessons, and experiences people relate to. Finally, problem-solving videos perform amazingly well, like fixing phone issues, recovering hacked accounts, using apps, or dealing with everyday challenges.